bassani X pipe hooked up to the whatever, I guess stock catback with mufflers welded in. Super turbo Dynamax.
Where are you?
I'm under here.
I'm going to attach the battery, alright?
Alright, the bassani X pipe's 2 pieces, those clamps right there. It's like you have the X part here is 1 piece, and then you have the tubes that actually, shut up. Then you have the parts that go up to the header over there. And the oxygen sensors are in. And then the only thing you have to do, you have to cut the smog pump, the hose, to make it shorter, because they have the fitting way up higher. And you use that little rubber piece right there to adapt it. But I'll make a video in a second when I start it up for the first time. My old car had the off-road H pipe with 2-chamber Flowmasters, and I'm always partial to Flowmasters, so hopefully they sound good enough.
Engine fluid, training fluid, rear end fluid, fuel filter, I gotta wax it now.
Yeah, sounds good.
No, it's not like it. Look, no, you can see little black marks. That's like, it is wax, so it'll come off.
How you doing?
It's good. How you like it,
I love it.
He's getting hard on it. Oh, it's gone.